made it. It's not terrible. This is the grass. Here we go. It's not terrible that way.
Didn't grow a whole lot, which is good, but all that's got to get mowed.
Yeah, I know. So this actually turned up nice. This is
dry.
not terrible. It's dry. Shocker. But look at all this. This is the challenge. So we got to take care of all of this too.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the quest.
Right on. I'm Colleen.
I'm Jonny.
And here we are. We're back at camp. Yay!
Yeah.
We're excited for that. But
We got someone
we
freaking left the keys at home.
have a first snag, so we actually have to break into our shipping containers. That didn't work. Did that work? Oh geez.
Oop, gotta hit it.
What happened here? Oh geez. Success!
Yep, I got her busted off.
Okay. There's that.
Good thing we got more locks.
We do have a lock? Okay, that's cool. All right,
yeah.
so we had the keys to the shed, which where John got the sledgehammer axe thing from. But yay, all right. Well, that saves the trip into the city. Woohoo! Setting up the camper while John's still doing that. It's the fridge open for one. We stopped and got pasties. Yay! And just like that, our bathroom is almost ready to go. Not terrible here. Look at your little kitchen. Wait, well that's we survived everything. Okay, I started setting up our little bug shelter, but I need help now. I need more than my hands. But I'm gonna go check in. Oh, he's showing me something. Hang on. John's doing really good. Okay, wow, it looks good. Here, come get a drink.
That's a good idea.
I know. It's like a hay field.
Fucking hey, man, I get bust out the baler.
I know. There you go, love. Nice.
Yeah, no kidding.
Beautiful job.
Thanks. I wonder how many ticks are all over me.
I don't know. We're gonna check you out. Let's follow the path here. Wow. Oh, clearly. Look at this. Incredible. But John made a path all the way woodshed. Wow. Hi, honey. Whew, I've been busy too, so I just picked a whole bunch of branches and stuff. We're getting ready for our fire. A little miquid going on in there. I'll show you that in action. And look at that. Got all my different sizes. But there's still more to grab, so I'm gonna go back out there and get more. Woof. Oh. We got them. Sweet! Help has arrived! Cheers, friends. Dan,
Cheers.
Thanks for helping out this weekend.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Take it out if you wanted to fall through there. I want to get it all done.
Wow, you got so far, honey. Woo! We got the raspberries. But where's there the raspberries? There's teddy bears. And then we're having a little walk down our little easement road to the end so Dan can get a little visual of what's going on. Jeez, look how much is overgrown. I can't believe it. Wow. All right. What happened? What did I miss? We're in.
We got one side on.
Woohoo! All right, that's fun.
Right.
What are
I
we
mean,
doing?
the hole's big enough for gap.
Okay. As long as we're clear here.
We'll take a look.
Oh, and you're gonna just trace out the bolts on the other side.
Yeah, because this thing doesn't come with it. These little
There's no template.
no template on
Okay.
these Amazons.
Okay, all right, got it.
Go to your right over. Lubricates it, keeps the bit cool.
Yeah, when you start seeing shavings turn blue,
Okay.
means the metal is actually burning. Like this bit is hot right now. Even that little bit.
Go slower than
Oh wow. Got a fire, folks. Round two. We got it.
Well, you didn't shut it yet.
So we got a lock. Okay.
No, we don't have a lock.
And then what's this? Okay.
Gotta bolt it on.
Okay.
We have it to turn.
Well, that's with anything though, right? We know that.
With big nuts, you need a big wrench.
It's gonna help, but that's a right-handed wrench.
Oh no. Oh, okay. Woo! We got success!
Now we gotta. Where'd you put the lock?
What lock? Get out of here! Yay! That's awesome. I'm excited.